Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get new Siri on iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the device settings on your iPhone and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Then, get to the General tab and access the VPN settings. Now make sure to toggle off any type of proxy that may be enabled. After that, open the App Store and search for Apple Developer. Then, install this app onto your mobile device and make sure to open it up. Now, sign into the app using your Apple ID and close the app. Once done, get back to the device settings again, access General again, and open the Update section. Here you should see an option to install the iOS 18 beta update. Simply go ahead and install that update. Once the update is complete, your iPhone will be running iOS 18. If the new Siri 2.0 is available in your region, you will then be able to access it on your device. So that's basically how you can get new Siri on iOS 18. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.